Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to see how you can make VHS effect in CapCut. So it's pretty simple. First you need a video clip. Now once you've opened the video clip which you need to add the VHS effect in, what you're going to do is you're going to press on it. Now once you press on it, you'll see a different variety of options, and from here you'll just scroll a bit and you'll click on effects. Now you're going to click on video effects. And now once you've clicked on video effects, these are all the effects you can see. There's a lot of effects which you can choose from. So what you're going to do is you're going to specifically search for VHS, and from the search bar right here, you're going to press on VHS. Now you let it load, and as you can see, these are all of the VHS effects that you can use with CapCut. You can see there's a whole variety of VHS effects, where some effects are used in Canva Pro. So if you don't have Canva Pro, you won't be able to use the Pro effects, which you can see right here. There's Pro written on some effects. If you don't have Canva Pro, you can use the other effects, for example, where free is written or where they have not written Pro. So what you need to do is you'll need to select one of these effects. For example, if you select black and white VHS, you can see it has applied in the background in the video. Apart from that, you can select other VHS effects right here. You'll need to basically search VHS and you can scroll down. You can look on all of these VHS effects and you can select one effect that you like the most. For example, this is another VHS effect, and these are some film frames, VHS noise effect, and these are all the VHS effects that you can select, and this is how you'll be able to apply. Now you can adjust the effect as well. You can increase or decrease its speed, and after that you will just simply go back and you'll just press on the stick and the VHS effect has been applied on your video. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.